It is October on a ooh, I was in an elf, and I'm not sure if the Northstar Tron is early or if it's a freight Tron that's coming. Oh, it sounds like it's Northstar. Well, unfortunately, this is the final Tron video of the day. And the final Tron video before I go to Atlanta. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. I wish I was riding that Tron, though. I was hoping I could have gotten a video of a freight Tron. I don't fucking see any. Maybe I'll wait around a few minutes. Yeah, when I go to Atlanta, I'm hoping to make videos of Martatrons, including from that hippie place. The, what the fuck? Oh God, I can't remember where the fuck they call it now. Land Trust, I believe it is. And there's other railroad tracks with other Trons. There's no Trons I see in sight. I don't know how long I want to wait around. I'm not going to wait around that much longer. There's a lot of Trons over there, though. A lot of freight Trons. Yeah, it's exciting to make videos of Trons. I wish I was riding these Trons.